the hair that runs inside of the labia lips. So when we go to apply the wax to remove on the front of the labia on step 3 and 4, that's removed, leaving us just the smallest amount of hair that's running inside here. So we don't need to worry about it being too painful. We just want to make sure that we open and stretch at the top of the labia. So here we're going to use our thumb and our finger to pull and stretch open. While we're doing this, we're obviously going to apply the wax down in the direction of the hair growth on either side. We do that one step at a time so it doesn't get stuck together, using your finger or your spatula to move whatever you need to in the middle away. If you need them to, get your client to stretch here from the bottom of their stomach up to pull the skin nice and tight while you have your hand like this and the wax is set. You can then get your handle by picking to get ready to pull up against the hair growth, and you will push your thumb or your hand into the bottom, almost like you're pushing the bum into the bed more to stretch that skin while they pull up here. And then you're going to do a handle and a quick pull against the hair growth parallel to the body on both step 8 and 9. And that should hopefully remove everything you need without anything pulling or tugging at the skin. And I'm here to show you a little bit more of a visual image of a extended bikini, or also known as a high leg bikini. So you want to be able to remove the edges first, like a basic wax. As you can see, any hairs that run down into the thigh area, we're going to remove them. These are 2 strips that get removed against the hair growth in about roughly 3 to 4 pulls. Once we've got that bit cleared, you'll see that we've got more of the hair all in a central zone, and we want to come in as if they were wearing a thong or something a little bit lacy and then we ain't going to see any hair popping out, if you know what I mean. So we're going to repeat the same steps again, but just coming in that little bit more, making sure we cover the bit that's on the bum cheeks, if that makes sense. So once we remove, we end up with this like thick line of hair that's just down the centre. And you can also remove the top line. That's not essential, but some people like it if their hair grows up a little bit higher. Just means they lower it a little bit so it doesn't peek out at the top of the bikini. It's always important to clean before you do any wax treatment using any type of wax on any area. My favourite go-to is my coconut and lime pre-wax cleanser. It's a spray which makes it easy to use, light wearing, so it doesn't make the skin feel tacky or clammy. It means that as soon as I go to put my hot wax on, once I've cleansed the area, that my wax will grip on perfectly fine and it won't slide or miss areas because it's all clammy and wet underneath. If you find you spray too much, just use a clean cotton pad to dry the surface. Fast drying wax so it will grip on really well. Get my handle, nice quick pull, no tugging of the skin, just by using a simple pre-wax cleanser.